KyleSliger here, riding at Auburn, Indiana at Auctions America. Super sick event. Tons of people, tons of sweet cars out here to look at, all kinds of stuff going on. So it's an honor to come out here and be able to ride. But yeah, me and Joe are going to throw down. We usually ride together a lot. He's got a fractured foot right now, and you know, I've been kind of giving him a bunch of stuff about it, like picking on him about how his foot hurts. And sure enough, just like 4 days ago, I flipped this little 50 dirt bike and smashed my foot. Now his right foot hurts, my right foot hurts, and we're both here to battle out against each other. So I guess all the odds are the same now.
Auctions America, both riders in right now.
Yeah, my name's Joe Tabalik. We're out here, me and Kyle are performing shows all weekend at Auctions America in Auburn, Indiana. Just a few hours away from where I live and from Grand Rapids, Michigan, and about 20 minutes from Kyle. But yeah, we're out here at this great event.